In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly shocking method that you can use even if you're completely brand new, even if you have no technical skills, and even if you have no following on social media. We're going to use this method to make $8,000 a month for free. Make sure you watch the entire video. You're not going to want to miss any of it. I'm going to teach you how to find a product. I'm going to teach you how to build a sales funnel. I'm going to teach you how to retarget people with email marketing. All for 5 minutes a day. Hi, I'm Jim. Back again with another video. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my content. I put out videos every week based on the side hustle shuffle and ways to make money online. Sometimes I use DigiStore. We're going to use Clickbank for this one. So you go to Clickbank, you sign up for Clickbank. It's safe to sign up. Put all your information in there. They're going to ask you bank information. You want to get paid, right? So you want to get paid, put your bank information in there, and you come up to the marketplace. You come up to the marketplace. Here we are in the marketplace. Now, over here on the left is all the niches. So if you have a YouTube channel or an Instagram or a TikTok and you're in a niche already, you know where your niche is. You come over here and grab it: health and fitness, home and garden, parenting and family. So whatever your niche is, okay? But we're going to sub-niche. We're going to go down. We're going to narrow down. We're going to go from health and fitness to diets to healthy lifestyles all the way down to vegan. So we're going to look for vegan. Right, and this is what you got to do. You got to find obscure niches that maybe there's not a lot of people in. So, all right, so here we are. We've found some vegan products to promote. 1 month vegan challenge 2.0. Gravity scores only a 5. Not good. You want to gravity. Gravity is how many affiliates are earning money in the past 30 days with this offer. Right, so you want something around 20. The average conversion for this one is $18.77. Not a bad conversion. You're looking for something, probably you want to give something between $20 and $30. Impulse buys, something that's not too expensive so that they're not going to push the button and buy right away. Okay, you want something that they're going to buy right away. Vegan smoothie recipes, Gravity is only a 2. Okay, not good. Next one here, plant-based recipe cookbook 2.0, 100 plus done for you vegan recipes. Gravity score 21, bingo. Okay, over 20. Now the conversion is only $14.91, almost $15. Not bad, not good, but it's a start. Okay, and through email marketing, we're going to retarget people, so our conversion rate is going to go up. All right, so revised is an update of 2020. The amazing new vegan cookbook now includes over 100 blah 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 letters that the affiliates love. Low refund rates, low refund rates, 90% commissions. Okay, so they have affiliate tools, which is very good. Okay, affiliate page where you're gonna want to go to the affiliate page. So let's go check it out. So when you're looking for a product to promote, you want to get a product that has a good sales page, okay, because you want it to convert, right? So you want a good sales page, and you want them to have an affiliate support page with tools that you can use, so you don't have to create all of this stuff yourself. So watch this down here. Now here's your link, okay? Here's your link, your ID. You're going to put your Clickbank ID in here, and that's your link, okay? Now they've got all of these images here that you can download for your website when you're building a website, okay? They've got email swipes, they've got product images, they've got keywords. So when you want to know what keywords to use, they're giving you the keywords. Free reports. We're going to use these free reports, a 7-day meal plan, okay? This is a free report. You can click this, download this, and you can give this away for free to the people that come to your website, to get them to leave their email address so we can retarget them. Who wouldn't want a 7-day free vegan meal plan? If you were interested in the vegan lifestyle, a 7-day vegan meal plan would be something you'd be looking for. And if you saw it for free, you'd put your email address in for it, right? And of course, they got the testimonials here, all right? So now that we've found the product, we've found all the stuff we need to make content with, okay? We're going to go to a website called System.io. System.io. Now, I use a different software for my website and my sales funnels and my email marketing, but I stumbled across this one and I'm very impressed with it. Give it a shot for free forever. Okay, that's why I like it so much. It's free. We're going to go up to pricing. Okay, we go to pricing. All right. You can collect up to 2,000 emails for free. You can have 3 sales funnels for free. So that means 3 separate products and up to 10 steps in the funnel. Okay. Bingo. That's really great. Start for free, sign up. Now you can start over here as a 27 and you get 5,000 emails. Now that's a good amount of emails. When you're getting up to 10,000 emails and unlimited, as you're making money, you can increase. Okay. And that's the way it's built. So, people are doing these plans. They're obviously making money. Okay. So that's the plan. We're going to sign in. Okay, now here we are on the dashboard of this account. It's a brand new account. You're going to come up to funnels, okay? Now we're trying to build a sales funnel, okay? We're building a sales funnel with that product, all right? So now we can create. We're going to go to create. Now you're going to name it. We're going to name it vegan B, because I got a couple of vegan ones. And we're going to go to custom because we're going to build this one. You can build an audience if you're just going to go and try and collect emails. But we're going to do a custom, right? And down here, you want to make sure you're on the US dollar or wherever you happen to be, okay? Create. Bam. We have a sales funnel. Bam. All right. We're going to create a step. We're going to create our first step. Now, our first step is going to be sales page. So we're going to call it sales page, and we're going to look for sales page right there. All right. Now, what this is going to do, it's going to give us a bunch of templates that we can use, and we can take all the information from the affiliate support page, and we can build a simple website to send people to the offer to create a sales funnel and to convert and get commissions. Okay, so now you have a sales page. We're gonna create another step, and we're gonna call it the thank you page. Right, we're gonna go down and we're going to go to the thank you page, and the same deal happens. They're going to come up and they're going to have a bunch of templates that you can use. All right. Now I have one that I made quickly. Okay. So this is the one I made quickly. So I'm going to open it up to edit the page so you can see. All right. So I changed everything. Plant-based recipe cookbook. Get your free 7-day vegan meal plan. Okay. And now they're going to put their email address in here. When they click submit, okay, they put their email address, click submit. It's going to bring them to the sales page for the recipe book. But I'm going to have their email address on a list. Okay, that's very important. Remember that for later. Okay, now as they scroll down the page, there's the plant-based cookbook, and there's another link down here, another button, so they can go. And I created this all in 5 minutes by just copy and pasting the information from the sales from the affiliate support page onto the Systemio copy and paste, cut and paste templates for. All right. So now, what do you think so far? Hit the like button for me, will you? And so now you have you captured their emails. Now, some people are going to buy the cookbook here, but the key is now you have an email of somebody who's interested in the vegan lifestyle. So we go back to the affiliate support page, right? And we have email swipes, we said, right? So we click email swipes, email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4. So they have 4 emails already set up. Okay, so they have about a week's worth of emails. You send an email every other day. All right. So you would send them an email. And now how do you do that? You go back to systems.io, right? And you come up to emails. Then we're going to start a campaign, right? Now I have a campaign already done here. So and what you do is you add an email. Is this something you think you can do? Leave a comment down below. Is there something that you don't think you can do, or you don't think is easy? Okay, so you add the email, you add the sender's name, which is probably you, the subject, the subject line. You really have to be good with the subject line because that's what's going to get them to open the email, right? So you're going to play around with the subject line. And if you go back to the affiliate page, they may even have subject lines for you to use depending on the product, right? And you can choose what class to get it. And all you do is you're going to copy, you're going to cut and paste. You're going to copy off the affiliate page, and you're going to paste it into the emails. You're going to make 4 of them, and you're going to set it up to auto respond every other day after they sign up. So they're going to put their email address in today, and they're going to get sent to the sales page. Now, if they buy or they don't buy, that's up to you. I mean, that's up to them. But now you have their email. So the day after tomorrow, you're going to send them an email about the cookbook, right? And then they're going to either buy or not buy. And then 2 days later, you're going to send them another email. And then 2 days later, you're going to send them another email. So you're going to send them 4 emails, right? So, but now the beauty is you have their email forever, as long, and now you know they're in the vegan niche or whatever your niche is, right? So now you have their email, and you can actually send them emails for the rest of their lives as long as you don't abuse it. You already know they're in the niche, the vegan niche, so they're going to be interested in stuff in the vegan niche. So you'll send them recipes, you'll send them testimonials, you'll send them articles, you'll send them every once a week or twice a week or whatever. You'll send emails out to this list. And then every third or fourth email will be a sales email of some kind of product, either a cookbook or a recipe or something to do with veganism or whatever your niche is, right? And that's what you do with the email list. So, but how are we driving traffic to this email list? How are we driving traffic to this page? Okay. We've got this nice page. We're going to collect emails, right? We're going to sell recipe books, but how do we get them here? We're going to go to a free traffic source. Okay. This is a free traffic source nobody's using. Okay. It's a very powerful traffic source. It's called Quora. We're going to go to Quora right now, over in Quora. All right. Now, Quora is a place where people ask questions and get answers. Okay. It's a very high traffic place for affiliate marketers and for people who are trying to do business. As you see, there'll be work from home, core updates, make money online, digital marketing. There's, you name whatever the subject is, you put it in the search up here, and they'll let's see, vegan, right? Search vegan. What are the best vegan recipes? Let's check that one out. So what are the best vegan recipes? Now, this is somebody that's asking a question. There's 398 people following this question. Now, we can make an answer, right? Now, we can type in an answer here, and we can, basically you're going to turn around and say, depending on what your niche is. So we're using the vegan recipes, right? So we're going to say, I got this really cool book. This is the link to where I got it from. I use it. I got my 7-day meal plan for free, and then I also got the cookbook. And you can put a blog in there, a nice post on how good the cookbook is and how you got out of it, and maybe a couple of samples of recipes that are in it, and then you put the link going to the sales page where they can put their email address in, and that starts the whole sales funnel. Okay, so they go to Quora, they find your answer, they click your link, they go to your page, and then it starts the sales funnel. Okay, that's pretty cool way to make money online. Okay, so of course, you can really pretty up the sales funnel. You can take some time with the emails. You can take some time with the sales page and the thank you page, and make your brand colors and make your own photos and really jazz it up. You want to do what you can to make it, to optimize it. So you keep changing it until you get it to work and to get it to optimize, get people to run through your sales funnel. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. What niche are you in? Would you like to take a 30-day challenge with me? Leave a comment below. Let me know you're interested, and I may make a video on that in the future. Now, the next video that's popping up here, YouTube has gone through and decided this is what you need to see next. So click on through and enjoy the next video.